Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. So you know we do on this page, we put fingerprints, blueprints, brain print, footprint, all print, pink print, all on every idea. If it comes to mind, we act on it. If you're going through a hard time, and understand that things are not happening to you, things are happening for you, for your greater good, breakthrough is in your aura. So it's time to act. Do not limit yourself. Do not shrink to your smaller self. I want you to maximize, emphasize. I want you to be in the solar system with radical faith and radical action to make sure that you reach your goals. I work to improve myself. Embrace that all life brings me. I transform darkness into light, and I allow myself to grow and become stronger. When you become stronger and when you grow, you become wiser. You become stronger, therefore you can maintain bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.